Happy Freedom Day, brought to you by Total Trademark. Thank you, Stephen Weigler. This is, he's our attorney. Anyways, today we're doing oh, hold on, I actually have to do this. This is gin. All right, cool. Today we are doing a firecracker. I want to say firework, but it's a firecracker drink. We got the recipe from liquor.com and doing a little bit of a rendition on it. The original recipe had watermelon in it, which is, you know, very summer style. We don't really have watermelon at the moment. Northwest is full of rain and lack of sunshine, but we do berries really well up here. So we're doing berries instead. But because it's a 4th of July thing, we're gonna start this thing off and get some music going. Hold on, let's crank it up for a second. All right. Can you guys hear it? Woo! All right. Let's get that back down. Okay, so in this recipe, it's super simple. It's gonna be 3 parts of rum. So we're gonna do a 1.5 ounce. We're gonna do everything ounces. We good for music? Okay, cool. We're gonna do 1 part, what originally was triple sec. We're doing this Mandarin Napoleon. Bless you, Bruce. It is an orange liqueur. So any type of orange liqueur is great. Triple sec is a simple one. Almost everybody can find that. And then we've got 1 part, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. We're gonna muddle up some berries. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of lime juice. And then a pinch of cayenne because it's firecracker. All right, cool. Let's get this rolling. So we're gonna throw the berries in here first, muddle those up. You just kinda wanna muddle it up just to get all those juices out, make it nice and pretty. Ooh, yummy, yummy, yummy. What is everybody doing for their 4th of July? Getting family over, getting people over, blasting off fireworks? God, I hope so. All right, let's get some. Oh yeah. So if whatever you're doing, just put them in the comments because we love reading about those. And then we'll write back, of course. We unfortunately don't really have too many fireworks going on right now, but I'm sure somebody is. All right, so I put in the ice. I got the muddled fruits. Look at that, yummy. If I was Dana, I would just lick this thing because Dana's weird like that. But she's working the camera today. So I get to do things like play with big knives and cut the lime. Oh, oh.
Can you move that rum so we can see that?
Oh, you gotta see that again? I'm knocking things over here. All right, so we're just gonna cut this again because I'm gonna need it. Look at this. Oh my gosh. You wanna see that again? Slow-mo? I'm just kidding. All right, so let's keep going on. So we got a little bit of wheel here. All right, so we're gonna use this 1/2 lime to get our lime juice going. You can put it in here, but I kind of want to know that there's about a 1/2 ounce. These are a little bit smaller limes. And we are at a 1/4 ounce, so I'm gonna use this other 1/2 here. I put that in there. Yum, 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 yum. Cool. If you guys don't have one of these, you absolutely need one because it's so much easier than squeezing it and all other jazz. Yeah, you can use that reamer. Don't use the reamer. All right, in goes the lime. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Bam. If you want it a little bit sweeter, use more simple syrup. If you don't want it as sweet, dial back the simple syrup. Triple sec typically has a lot of sweetness into it. This one doesn't have as much sweetness, so I kind of like using the Mandarin a bit more personally. But it's got a lot of citrus notes, so if you're not wanting too much citrus, then dial back on that. But it's such a nice little liqueur. All right, and then we've got 1.5 ounce of rum, which is 3 parts rum.
What one are we using?
I don't know. Barrel Room, Indio. I think it says Indio. Indio, yeah, Indio Spirits. We didn't buy this. Daniel bought it. Daniel, Laura, thank you. You're the man. Oh, it's out of Portland, Oregon. Ha! I thought it was Indio, California or something like that. No, my bad. Portland, Oregon. It's a local rum. Of course. All right, 1.5 in. Bam, 1.5 done. Okay, and then last but not least, let me make sure I've got dry fingers for this. Pinch of cayenne. It says 1/6 of a teaspoon, but who the hell has that? Who has 1/6 of a teaspoon measuring thing? No. What do we have? We have 1 teaspoons. We have 1/4 teaspoons. And then we might have an 1/8 teaspoon. What are we gonna do? Do the mathematics on that? No, just do a pinch. All right, that's like a pinch. Boom, that looks great. Perfect. Now, if you can see in here, can you see in there all right? Yeah, you see how it's all floating around? Don't do what I was about to do, which is lick my fingers. That would have been terrible. That would not have been fun. I had to think for a second there. I was just going, you know? I was just, all right, let's rock and roll. All right, shake it up. Now, the recipe says for a coupe glass. This is our little coupe glasses. I like them. They're nice and pretty looking. Got a strainer here. Then you just want to shake it till it's nice and cold. All right. Now, mind you, this is my first time making this thing. I have no idea how it tastes. I just know it's going to look really nice. It's going to look like a little firecracker. And then we'll take our little lime wedge here. Lime wheel, I like it. We're going to put it in there. Oh, okay, we want it actually sticking. Let's go a little bit further. Bam, look at that. That's a drink in itself. If you're on a diet and you just want to drink air, go for it. But look at this. Ooh-wee. See how far we can go.
That couldn't be more perfect.
Damn, I'm good. We're just gonna see how long it goes. I'm just kidding. Nobody wants to see that go forever. All right. Wow, look at this. It's beautiful, is it not?
It's gorgeous.
I feel like something fell behind me. So you can get that whole look. Well, yeah, for all the Instagram people out there and whoever else is watching on social media. That's really good. It does need, wait. The heat is subtle. It's very subtle. So if you want it to be kind of more in your face, all right, here you go, producer. If you want it a little bit more in your face, add more cayenne. I think it's really nice. If you didn't have cayenne in your house, and you have more of like a Latino house, use jalapeno. Now jalapeno is gonna be a little bit different, right? It's gonna have a bit more of that bite to it, but it's super tasty, right? Ooh. But yeah,
That's outstanding. I want
super delicious.
a little more kick.
Yeah, that's kind of my thoughts too. The producer says she wants a little bit more kick. I agree. So I'm thinking just a little bit of a right on top there. Yum, 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 yum. And this probably will kind of kick it up just a little bit.
What if you did a cayenne sugar rim?
Ooh, that'd be tight. Cayenne sugar rim is what the suggestion was. I love that idea. Ooh, that does actually just bring a slight more heat to it. I think it's perfect actually at that point. But, excuse me. Yeah, like cayenne. If you guys try this, absolutely let us know how you do it. Did you make any changes to it? Did you do it as is? Did you go back to the original recipe from liquor.com and do watermelon? I'd be kind of curious. It's gonna be completely different if you use watermelon. This is a berry. But again, whatever you have regionally, go for it. If you're in Australia and you got kiwi or something like that, do kiwi. I don't know how that would be, but hell, why not? The key ingredients are the citrus notes of having like the orange liqueur, the lime, and the rum. That's really what it comes down to. Otherwise, all the other stuff, have at it. Change it up, you know? But let us know in the comments. And if you really like this, make sure you hit that subscribe, like this video, it helps us out a lot, and leave some comments, even if it's just Happy 4th to all you guys. All right, have a great weekend, Happy 4th, and stay safe, everybody. has got to be open first.
Yeah.
I don't look like I'm trying to fight this thing. Shove my finger in here. Oh yeah, I can. All right, cool. What is this thing called?
Firecracker.
Firecracker. Okay. I love this music. Everybody look what's going down.